Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 146. Today we highlight a few Google Slide add-ons to help you find free icons and images. One of Google Drive's powerful features is the ability to use add-ons to extend the functionality of your slides, docs, and sheets. Today we're focusing on icons and images. To get add-ons, open up a slide or create one via slide.new and click on Add-ons menu. Then choose Get Add-ons. One popular add-on that I've been using for years has been Insert Icons for Slides by Romain Vialliard. Now he's done many add-ons for Drive and even Data Studio. To activate an icon, simply click on the blue button. If you get a message saying that you don't have permission to install add-ons, you may need to speak to your IT department about their policy for requesting add-ons. Once you install an add-on, you'll find it in your add-ons menu from now on, even with other presentations. Opening up the Insert Icons add-on launches a sidebar where you can pick any color from the palette or even use hex codes to get the exact color you want. All icons will then use that color until you change it. Then you just search for an icon or browse for one and click it to insert it into your slideshow. At that point, you can just resize it and customize it. Just right-click on the icon and choose Format Options. That brings up Slides adjustment options, allowing you to modify transparency, contrast, drop shadows, reflections, and even simple and quick recolor after the fact. Another add-on is Icons for Slides and Docs from Flat Icon. These are a little less customizable, but are often full color and they're often suggested packs. And filters let you explore different styles. If those aren't enough, try out Free Icons by Icon 8. These are broken up into handy groups, often full color, but some allow you to choose the active color. Some styles, like the color hand-drawn style, have a very distinct look. Okay, let's look at the free image options. For a long time, we've been suggesting Unsplash, and I still do. Unsplash gives you access to thousands of high-res, completely free images for commercial and personal use. They make it very easy to just search for whatever you want and drop it into your presentation at high resolution. However, recently I've discovered another add-on called Image Suggest, which is kind of a meta search add-on that searches Pexels, Pixabay, and yes, even Unsplash. Image Suggest requires an account, so you can use your Google account for single sign-on if you want. Now when you launch it, you get the option to suggest images or search manually. Now before you do this, click on the gear icon at the top and see where you can select the sources you want to search. Notice that if you pick more than one at a time, it informs you that this is a paid feature. We'll discuss pricing in a minute, but for now, let's just focus on the free options. Okay, so you have one source at a time with the free version, and you might want to use this for Pixabay or Pexels and just keep Unsplash installed as another add-on. The Suggest button works on whatever text you've selected as the basis for recommendation. So basically you select some text and then you hit the Suggest button. It will analyze that text and suggest images that match the words there. You're limited to 20 free searches a month with the free version. However, you have unlimited manual searches with up to 2 different keywords at a time. My one complaint with this add-on is that the search is just a little slow. If you're interested in paying them some money, for $3 a month, you get the following features: 100 image suggestions per month, up to 5,000 words submitted by this method per month, up to 5 keywords at a time, and searching all sources at once. I think this is good value for the money if you're using this feature a lot, but it's still functional without paying him anything. Oh, and one more thing. Some of these add-ons, like Image Suggest, work in docs as well as slides, so there is that. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support our channel and click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon if you want to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or an idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.